Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial video. I am Kata and here with me is Enikő. Hi Enikő.
Hi Kata, hello everyone.
Today we are going to show you a very exciting process. We will learn how to create a highly accurate model from a point cloud.
Let's get started. First, I import the point cloud using the point cloud import command. You can also do this through file link to point cloud.
So, how can we find out the floor heights of a building like this?
It's very simple. There is no need to take measurements manually. When we click on the Adjust Floor Structure command, the software automatically creates a section plane. We can move this plane freely within the point cloud, choose a different plane, or even flip it. Once we have the desired plane, we can adjust the default floor heights. Click the red arrows to make the story heights, or use the plus sign to add new levels above or below. I will now create all the building stories, then press Escape to exit the command and rename the stories.
What are filters used for in a point cloud?
Filters let us create sections in the point cloud so we can better understand the internal structure. You can create vertical or horizontal sections, which helps when modeling the building in both 2D and 3D views.
How do we create a filter?
Simply create a vertical filter along one of the planes to see inside the building. If you pick the wrong plane, you can switch to another using the buttons next to the slider. Set the cut position using the slider and confirm with the green check mark. Next, set the region thickness, which means the depth of the section.
How do we manage filters?
Under the point cloud menu, you can turn filters on or off. In the Filter Regions dialog, you can manage each filter individually. Rename them, control visibility, change their thickness, or delete them if they are no longer needed.
What is the next step?
Let's create a filter that will help us continue working on the floor plan. We will use a horizontal filter and place it so it cuts through the windows. This will be helpful when placing them later.
Why didn't the floor plan update?
You need to manually refresh the floor plan after setting a new filter. That's because in the 3D model we might switch filters more often, but on the floor plan we usually stick with one. We only need to switch it if different floors have different layouts.
Where do we refresh it?
You can refresh the floor plan using the Refresh Floor Plan command, either on the floor plan itself, the 3D model, or from the point cloud menu. Now that we clearly see the floor plan, the walls and the windows, we can start drawing them.
How we can place walls with the highest accuracy?
The most accurate way is to use the wall detection on the floor plan command.
Why is this the best method? How does it work?
It's really simple. Click inside the wall to set a start and end point. It's best to turn off snapping using the magnet icon to make it easier. Then move the cursor away from the line you just drew and fit the wall between the two side lines that appear. Make sure only the desired wall points are selected. This gives you the most accurate model.
How do we connect the finished walls?
Use the L and T connections command on the ribbon. Right now I only need L connections. Click on the two walls you want to connect and the software will extend them to meet.
What's next?
Now I will place a slab inside the area surrounded by walls. Then we will move on to placing the windows.
How do we do that?
There's a very useful tool for this, the window detection. But first, enable the setting that enlarges the point size when zooming in.
Why is that helpful?
When placing windows, we zoom into the model, and this feature helps keep the window areas clearly visible. Once that's enabled, go to the Window Detection tab and select Parapet Height Free. With this command, you need to click 3 points on the model, the two bottom corners of the window and the height. I will place one of each type.
This building has many identical windows. Do we need to draw them one by one, or can we copy them?
You can copy the identical windows using the Move a Copy command on the floor plan. I will place all the windows on this level. Since the floor layouts are the same and the walls and windows are in the same places, we can just copy this floor to the other levels using the Copy to Another Story command from the dashboard.
Now the building is really coming together, but I still don't see the roof.
That's the next step. First, I will measure the roof slope on a section view. Then I will set the angle of the roof's properties and change its appearance. I will use the Roof by Walls command, and afterward I will make some changes to the automatically created roof. Some roof planes need to be changed to gables, and others need to be adjusted to match the point cloud. I've already made these final changes in advance.
Let's take a look at the building you created.
I will hide the point cloud using the Hide this object command.
That was quick with the help of the new tools.
And most importantly, we created a very accurate model. We didn't have to do complicated measurements, figure out window positions, or set wall thicknesses. The software handled all of that for us.
And the result speaks for itself. We hope this video helped you understand how to work with point clouds in practice. Now you can also create models from point clouds. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe so you don't miss similar content. We wish you good work with ARCHLine.XP. Bye!
Bye!